Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm back with a very special video. In today's video, I will be unboxing my very first ever limited edition Disney doll. As you might know, I am a big Ariel fan, so when this new 17-inch limited edition Ariel was announced, I knew I wanted to get her right away. She's so stunning inside of the box, and I still can't get over the way she sparkles. At the top of the box, it shows the Little Mermaid 30th anniversary logo, and on the bottom it says Ariel, limited edition 1 of 5,500. On the top, it does say that this doll is for ages 6 and up. On the side, there's this seaweed art, and as you can see, the box is really nice and holographic. On the back, you can read a little bit more about this doll and all of her details. If you want, you can pause and read this part. The other side of the box has the same seaweed details as well. What I really like is that the top of the box has some of these seaweed details, and there's a little bit of plastic too, so you can see the top of the doll as well. As you might be able to expect, if you've been a subscriber for a while, I am going to unbox her. I was really nervous for this step, because it was my very first time unboxing a doll like this, and I really did not want to mess her up. First, I am taking off this cardboard front. This shows that the plastic layer under it also has these logos printed on it. Taking out that plastic cover, it also shows the seaweed details on the side. Then you have the cardboard backing that shows you this huge doll, and the back part of that box that also holds the certificate of authenticity. The number of my specific doll was 2,435. With these type of dolls, I'm always so curious to see who has doll number 1, so if you have this doll as well, comment down below which number you got. Before fully unboxing her and washing the hair, I still wanted to show you what Ariel looks like inside of her box. The way this doll is posed, she looks absolutely stunning, with her hair pulled to one side, showing off those pearl details. What I did notice though, is that mine does have a defect necklace. She is supposed to have 2 golden necklaces keeping her shell bra up, but one already broke before I received her in the mail. And then I could simply not wait any longer to get this doll out of her box. So I untwisted the ties and removed the tape from the back of the box so I could remove the pieces of plastic that were secured. At the bottom of the box, there were some more twists to keep the doll stand in place. Then, being really careful, I was able to remove the doll with the plastic backing still attached from the box. I removed some clear elastics and cut the tags from the back of the head to remove the doll completely. And I still cannot get over how pretty she is. Out of the box, her hair is gelled in place really heavily, and as you can see, the ends of the bangs are completely gelled to the point where it even has a different shade of red. The shape of the bangs is really pretty though, so I do feel like it's definitely worth it for inbox collectors. The curls in the back do have a curled shape, but that did get quite messy and squished by the box. Then on the other side of the head, she has this purple flower detail with pearls hanging down that are attached to the hair with these red elastics. Her beautiful purple seashell bra has these golden details and a necklace as well. As I said, one of them on my doll is broken, That's one of the reasons that I will also be trying to remove the other one as well. So if you want to see if the tops can stay on without them, I will try that in this video as well. The top is made of a plastic material, but at the back it does have a fabric finish, and the top velcros in the back. The top also has these beaded details hanging off the shoulder. On one hand, Ariel is wearing 3 bracelets, and on the other hand, she has these wrapped around bracelets with a chain that is very similar to the necklace. I also forgot to mention that Ariel also has a small golden seashell detail in the middle of her bra. That is meant to represent the seashell that holds her voice in the movie. And then, she also has this gorgeous sequins mermaid tail that has these giant posable fins with a bunch of details and gems on them. What is quite cool too is that the sequins on the tail can change to a matte black color. However, I do prefer the sparkly green side. She also has this green fabric at the back for an extra added detail. Then, because the necklaces were already broken, I wanted to remove that second one as well. So I took a cutting tool, but before that even touched the necklace, the second one already broke. As you can see, this made the bra fall down a little bit, and unfortunately, it did look quite loose. I found out later that this is a really easy fix by correctly securing the velcro of the bra. That way, it stays on perfectly. Taking off the mermaid tail went really smoothly as well, revealing her beautiful and articulated legs. This gives you a fully articulated doll with articulation at the shoulder, elbow, wrist, waist, hip, knee, and ankle. I didn't show it here, but the hat is articulated too, just like always. Then, to prepare this doll for her hair to be washed, I take out those red elastics holding the pearls, and I take out the flower as well. This one was secured with some tags as well, so I make sure to remove this really carefully, making sure not to cut or damage any of the doll's hair. After making a temporary dress for her, I simply start rinsing the hair with cold water to loosen up the hair gel and get rid of any loose hair. While doing this, I already start finger combing the hair a little bit to break up the curls and product. When I feel like most of the gel is out, I take some hair conditioner and massage that into the hair. As you might have noticed, I didn't brush the hair yet, because I want to be sure that there's no more gel in the hair before I brush it. With the conditioner still in, I start brushing the hair. With this, I am being careful that the part stays neat. But other than that, I'm just simply brushing it out. Then I simply rinse out the conditioner and repeat that step one more time. I did notice that my particular doll lost a lot of hair during this step and after it as well, so be careful and aware of that if you decide to wash out the doll's hair as well. The hair itself though is really soft, and I have to say that I love how the hair looks and feels after this wash. I really hope you liked this unboxing and review of my very first limited edition Disney doll. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to let me know that you want more videos like this. If you want to see more pictures of my dolls, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!